How to register for az-900. So open your browser and type az-900, click on the search options, and then once you click on that search, it will give you some list of URL which is related to az-900. So there are a lot of URL which is listed down over here, but we have to click on the docs.microsoft.com URL, which is the official website of Microsoft Azure, and we are going to click on the very first link which is regarding the az-900. So let's click on this az-900 URL. Once you hit the URL, it will redirect you to docs.microsoft.com, and in this page you can see the brief knowledge about this certificate. And if you go little down, there is an option called schedule exam. So here you can see the currency of the particular exam. You can select, by default here it is a United States. You can select any of the country according to your basic country, and you can see what amount you have to pay for this certificate. And then you have two options, which is schedule with person VUE, and second is a schedule with certipod. So these options will be used for the student or instructor. So today I am going to explain you how to register with schedule with person VUE. So let's click on this VUE link. Once you hit the URL, it will redirect to the login page of Microsoft account. There you have to provide your email ID and password. Once you enter those details, it will send you the OTP details into your mail ID. You have to enter that OTP and submit it on the login page. Once you submit that OTP, it will redirect you to the dashboard of this Microsoft profile. So here you can see the certification profile. In this page, you have to provide some details, which is the first name, title, middle name, last name, job titles, address, and related information. So you have to provide over here. So basically, this whatever the details you are providing, it should be according to your government issued ID, because whenever you are going to attend the exam, at the time they will ask you the identity proof to show them according to your name. So you have to provide the details according to your government issue ID. So here I have already filled up my details. Let me show you. So already I have filled up my details. I am already certified. So here I'm providing some dummy details over here. But you guys don't provide that dummy details, because if you want to attend the exam, then it will ask you for the government ID proof. So just showing purpose, I have given some details over here, and I have filled up all the details, and I did some check mark over here. So what about this check mark? Like, it will, if you want to hear something regarding the product from the Microsoft, the services, you get some offers by clicking this checkbox. So I have done this checkbox over here. Read it this one also, and according to your useful information, you can select any of the options over here. Once you done with this, it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. You have to check on this. After filling all the details, you have to click on the save and continue. Once you accept that, like whatever you have entered the name which is according to your ID proof, then click on the accept button. Once you click on the accept button, it will redirect to this profile. Like they will give you some notification, like please verify that your information is up to date. So here you can edit your profile if you have entered something wrong. So I'm doing it for the demo purpose, so let me continue. It will take few seconds to redirect to the next page. Once you click on the continue, it will redirect to the exam discount. So what it means, like in many of the company, they will give you the free exam discount. So if you use the official mail ID of the company, it will check the eligibility if that mail ID is eligible to take the exam with the free course, or how it will be. So you can provide your official mail ID and check the eligibility over here. After that, you can click to the schedule exam option. Once you select that schedule exam option, it will ask you to where do you want to take your exam. So at the test center, so you want to go any test center and you can take the exam, or else you can take from home or office, or if you have any access code then you can provide it here and then directly you can take the exam. So I'm selecting online at my home or office. So here you can see the many of the options are available. So you can do some system test by using this first options. Then your testing space, you can do some testing to your spaces. So by clicking that, you can do that. After that, your ID, photo ID, you have to admit it over here by selecting the policies. And then if you want to see the what is your system is working fine or check eligibility, so everything you can do it what expected before 30 minutes, so you can see the short video of it from here. Now click on the next button. Here it will ask you to select the preferred language according to your knowledge, and if you are okay with any of this language, you can do select and then click on next. In the next page, it will ask you to read this policy and do check with your agreement. So I'm not reading it because this is my demo purpose. So you can read and do the select options. This is a Microsoft policies which we have to accept it. So once you do that, you can click on the agree. Here it will ask you to prefer language for the protector to speak. So you can select any of the language from these two. I am selecting English. Click on next button. After clicking on next, it will ask you to preferred time zone. Here is the time zone availability. You can select it. So I'm doing the yes, that's right. Once you do that, it will process your request and give second option to select the date. I'm selecting any of the date. So once you select the date, it will give you third options to choose your time slot. So here you can see the timing of your exams. You can select any of the timing which is preferred to you. I'm selecting 3 a.m. Once you select that, it will redirect to the card. Here you can see the descriptions of the exam, details of the exam and price. In the next option, you can see available product. Here you can take the sample test by using this practice test option. So you can add to your order. If you want to take it, you have to pay 5150. If you don't want to take it, don't add it to the order. So here you can see confirm contact information. You have to provide the proper details so that certificate registration will throw the notification to your mobile. So total you have to pay 4361 because we have to pay some taxes as well. Now click on the proceed to checkout. Here you have to add your payment and billing details. So you can add your card details over here. Then billing informations you can provide here. Once you do that, it will redirect to the home page of the dashboard. So I'm not doing it because this is my demo session. So I'm directly clicking on the person view home. Once you done that, it will redirect to the dashboard and you can see the upcoming schedule exam details over here. Once you attended the exam and if you want to see any report of this exam, then you can click on the view score report. Here you can see the report card of your exam. So this is all about basic information how to schedule your Azure exam. So I hope this is useful to you. If it is useful, then please do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.